A common issue when switching phones or reinstalling WhatsApp is being unable to restore chats and media from Google Drive backup. This guide explains the reasons behind the problem, offers practical fixes, and introduces WhatsApp Transfer as a more reliable alternative for restoring WhatsApp data. Part 1. Why can't I restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive? WhatsApp may fail to restore a Google Drive backup due to account or phone number mismatches, poor internet connection, missing or corrupted backups, outdated apps, insufficient storage, or Google account synchronization problems. Part 2. How to fix Enable to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Below are the most effective fixes you can try when WhatsApp fails to restore your backup from Google Drive. Fix 1. Verify you're using the correct Google account. Step 1. Open Settings on your phone and go to Accounts or Google. Step 2. Check all Google accounts currently signed in. Step 3. Identify the one linked to your WhatsApp backup. Step 4. Switch to the correct account and reopen WhatsApp to try restoring. Fix 2. Confirm the phone number matches the backup. Step 1. Start WhatsApp setup and enter your phone number. Step 2. Make sure the country code and number are the same as before. Step 3. If you changed your number, complete WhatsApp number verification first. Step 4. Try restoring the backup after verification. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Turn off VPN or proxy services if they are enabled. Step 2. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data. Step 3. Restart your router if the connection seems unstable. Step 4. Disable battery saver mode to avoid background network restrictions. Fix 4. Make sure a Google Drive backup exists. Step 1. Open Google Drive on your phone or browser. Step 2. Go to Settings, Manage Apps. Step 3. Look for WhatsApp Messenger in the list. Step 4. Check whether a backup exists and verify its date and file size. Fix 5. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for WhatsApp. Step 3. Tap Update if the option is available. Step 4. Restart your phone and try restoring. Fix 6. Clear Google Play Services cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services. Step 2. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 3. Select Clear Cache, avoid clearing data. Step 4. Restart your phone and try restoring. Fix 7. Free up more storage space. Step 1. Open Settings, Storage. Step 2. Check how much free space is available. Step 3. Delete unused apps, large videos, or unnecessary files. Step 4. Ensure you have at least double the backup size and free space. Fix 8. Reinstall WhatsApp and try again. Step 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Step 4. Log in with the correct account and retry the restore process. Fix 9. Reconnect your Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accounts. Step 2. Remove your Google account from the device. Step 3. Restart your phone. Step 4. Add the Google account again and sign in. Step 5. Open WhatsApp and try restoring. Fix 10. Restore from a local backup instead. Step 1. Open your file manager. Step 2. Go to WhatsApp Databases folder. Step 3. Check for available backup files. Step 4. Reinstall WhatsApp and choose Restore from local backup when prompted. Step 5. Complete the setup process. Part 3. Best way to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Most Android users can restore WhatsApp backups by fixing common issues, but Google Drive restoration may still fail due to account problems, corrupted backups, or device switching. In such cases, WhatsApp Transfer provides a more reliable way to recover and transfer WhatsApp data between Android and iOS devices. Step 1. Download, install, and launch WhatsApp Transfer on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable and click Import Google Drive Backups. Step 3. Sign into the Google account that contains your backup and follow the prompts to allow access. Once logged in, select the backup you want to restore. The tool will parse the backup, letting you preview messages, photos, videos, audio, and other files. You can choose to restore everything or select specific items. Step 4. After making your selection, click Restore, and WhatsApp Transfer will begin moving your backup from Google Drive to your iPhone.